All right, so I took a bunch of advice, which I was very good at doing. So I went ahead and ordered up, or I didn't order, I work at a music store, but I put an Evans 300 Hazy snare side on, and the Evans 360 HD dry, which I love. I put that on a lot of snare drums. But anyways, I went ahead and smoothed out my bearing, or my snare beds, smoothed out the arch, put that back on, and here's my snare off, right? And that's on a low setting, so I put my snare on now, and I actually get a really good tone that I just love. And then I put it to mid setting, and to its tightest setting. So I'm really excited because now I finally got a tone that I was looking for. It doesn't sound like cardboard, so smoothing out my snare beds really helped. But putting on the correct heads, especially the bottom, I didn't realize how thick that bottom head was until I really compared it to the 300. So awesome. Thank you everybody for any of the advice that you gave me. And I'm very happy. I can't wait to put this on my big kit and play it all together.